Hello everyone, it is Thursday. Happy Thursday. It just snowed here in Alberta, Canada. Not a whole lot, but enough to cover the ground. I'm just waiting my daughters to come out of school. Some kids are already coming out. I know I have a question for everybody. There's a one thing that almost everyone does every single day. Take a guess of what it is. And if your answer is checking your phone. The connection was not very good. So if your answer is checking the phone, then you get a right answer. And I have a question is, if you have the chance to earn online by checking your phone every single day, would you like to do that? And there's an opportunity I'd like to share with everybody. We do have a live workshop today just to share with everybody who can register for the free workshop. We'll show you how you can earn online. You can register your name and email in the website to www.janwangbiz.com, and it's a live workshop. You can gather all your questions, you can answer the questions. There will be a whole bunch of people, panelists on the workshop, and you can ask all kinds of questions about social media, about online business, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm using my phone right now, and if you do checking your phone every single day, and I don't want you to miss this opportunity. So there's a chance to earn online just by using your phone. You can register with your name and email in the website, and I will see you at 6 p.m. Mountain Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I will see you there. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay warm, everybody. I'm just waiting for my kids. There's some are already coming out, and I will be going home soon. And drive safe, everyone.